In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can complete generators and batteries here in Bite By Night on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, as a survivor, your main goal is to find batteries and generators. It really is kind of simple, but essentially when you find a battery, you need to pick it up and look for a generator location. It's usually like marked or super easy spot in like the room next door or even the room, that the battery is found in. But essentially what you need to do is just go to that generator and then press and hold F on it to enter the battery. And then you just need to interact and repeat that process by timing or tapping multiple times to complete the generator. To do this quickly, it just is a matter of repetition. The more you do it, you'll get faster at it, because obviously you want to do this quickly since the killer can't interrupt you. The process really is finding a battery, carrying it, and inserting it into the generator, and then completing the interaction. And just repeat this until all generators are done. That really is it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.